In this video, I will show you how to withdraw from OKX to Coinbase. So if you want to withdraw crypto from In this video, I will show you how to withdraw from OKX to Coinbase. So if you want to do this, then please make sure you watch this video until the end. So first of all, we're going to our home tab on OKX, and then we're going to click on the stripes at the top left. And from here, you need to click on withdraw. And once you are in here, click on withdraw crypto or withdraw cash if you want to do that. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can withdraw crypto. So I'm going to click on this in here. And now I'm going to select BTC because that is the only crypto that I have in my account. But if you have any other crypto, then go ahead and select that. So I'm just going to click on this. And here I'm going to select the destination of this withdrawal. So if you want to change it to something in your address book or an existing address, go ahead and click on this. Or if you want to add an address or a wallet, then you need to click on this, and that is also what I'm going to do. So I'm going to click on this in here, and now you need to slide this to the right, and you will see what the fee will be and the estimated arrival time. It will also remind you that you can only withdraw BTC via Bitcoin, and if you do not do it via this network, then your crypto might get lost. So I'm just going to slide this to the right to continue. And now I need to fill in the wallet address in here. So I'm going to my Coinbase to get this wallet address. So from my Coinbase, I'm going to click on transfer. And in here, I'm going to click on receive crypto. So once we click on this, it will load. And now we need to select the crypto that we want to receive. And in this tutorial, I'm going with BTC. So I'm going to select this in here, but you can just select your cryptocurrency that you are transferring. So I'm going to click on Bitcoin. And now I need to pick the network. And we just saw before that we need to select Bitcoin again, because otherwise we will lose our crypto in the transaction. So if you have another network popping up in here, then you just need to be sure that you align it with the network from OKX. So I'm just going with BTC because I selected that in OKX. And now I see my wallet address in here, and I can just copy this to my clipboard and then paste this in OKX. So let's paste in the address in here, click on paste, and now we can enter a withdrawal amount that we want to withdraw. So I'm just going to transfer this amount in BTC. And after you've filled that in, you can just go and click on submit down below if everything is all right. And you can also see the network fee that is being paid in this transaction down here. So let's go ahead and click on submit. And if you're sending to a new address, you will see this message, but I'm just going to click on OK. So in here, I'm going to select private wallet because when we click on exchange or platform, Coinbase will not show up. So let's click on private wallet, then click on next. And then you need to confirm if this is your wallet address. So if it is your address, click on this. And if it is not your address, go ahead and click on no, it belongs to someone else, and then fill in those details. But this is my address, so I'm going to click on this and then click on next. So in this screen, we need to check if everything is all right. And if everything is all right, go ahead and click on confirm. And if there's made a mistake, then please be aware of this, that this can cause the transfer to get lost in the transaction because your address and the network need to align with your Coinbase. So it aligns, and now I'm going to click on confirm. And for security authentication, you need to fill in an email authentication and from the Authenticator app. So I'm just going to do that and then click on confirm. And as you can see, like that, our transfer is on the way. So now we can just go and click on view details. And then we can also check in Coinbase if it's already there. And please note that transactions with OKX can take a while due to its high security. So just wait a couple of minutes, maybe a couple of hours even, and then your crypto or your cash will be transferred to Coinbase. So that is how you do it. I hope this video helped you out. Please leave a like and consider subscribing, and then I will see you in the next one.